welcome back to my channel. My name is Sheetal and in today's video I would be doing a 5 minutes makeup challenge look, and within 5 minutes I'll just try to complete the entire makeup look. And please do watch the video till the end and also do comment below whether it's a hit or a miss. Without any further ado, let's get started with the video, guys. Okay guys, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, the timer is already started. First I'll start with the moisturizer. Once I'm done with the moisturizer, next I'll conceal or hide my pigmentation and dark circles from this concealer. This is a Kryolan FS40. Okay, then I'll take a blending brush. I'll just take a foundation brush and I'll blend this out. Okay, so I am done with the blending. Next I'll be using a L'Oreal foundation. I'll just take a 2 pump of this and I'll just apply all over my face. I'm already sweating, guys. I have no idea whether I'm going to complete or not, but I'll just try my best. Okay, then I'll take a foundation brush and I'll just blend this out. Okay, it's 3 minutes left. Okay, once I'm done with that, I'll set my foundation with the setting powder. Okay, once I'm done with that, I'll just apply eyeshadow. Okay, I'm just going to take a random colors, guys, and I'm just using a Kylie eyeshadow palette. I'm just taking a dark maroon from this palette. I'm just left with 1 minute. Not 1 minute, 1.5 minutes actually. Okay, and I'll just apply a golden shade on my middle part of my eyelid. Okay, once I'm done with that, I'll just take a Maybelline Colossal Kajal. Okay, I'm done with that. Next, I'll take a eyeliner. I'm left with 49 seconds. I'm just gonna put one swipe. with 29 seconds. I'll just apply lipstick. And I will just apply a little bit of blush. Once I'm done with that, I'll just put a little bit of highlighter. 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I'm done with the makeup. I don't know whether it's a hit or a miss. Oh god. I think I'm done with the makeup, guys. I don't know, you just have to tell me whether it's a hit or a miss. And please do comment down below, guys. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also click the bell icon for the notification. In this way you will not miss any of my videos. Until then, thank you so much. Keep supporting me in this way. Bye.